The LLC you know today? It's about to be unrecognizable. If you're planning to start a business, or you already own one, the shifts coming in 2026 could completely change how you operate. Don't get caught off guard. Stick around to discover the critical trends that will reshape the future of LLCs. Before we dive into the video, let me introduce you to Northwest Registered Agent. It is a professional formation service that includes LLC filing, registered agent services, and business formation. They offer excellent privacy protection and customer service from agents around the United States at a reasonable cost. Northwest Registered Agent offers a service in which they can file your LLC for you without any hassle. Don't forget to check out the link and full review of Northwest Registered Agent in the description below. Now, let's continue the video. First, let's talk regulations. The Corporate Transparency Act is going into enforcement in 2026, and it's going to impact every LLC when it comes to reporting beneficial ownership information, or BOI. That means who owns your business, who's pulling the strings. All that info will need to be transparent. But that's just the start. States are also adapting their own rules on top of federal regulations. Some states may introduce additional compliance hurdles, meaning your LLC could have to navigate multiple layers of reporting. And regulators aren't just casting a wide net, they're focusing. Industries that deal with finance, real estate, and high-value transactions, as well as certain types of LLCs, will see increased scrutiny. Knowing if your business is on that radar now can save headaches later. Next up, digital LLCs are on the rise, and technology is driving this shift. Blockchain and smart contracts could automate compliance and record-keeping, making your life easier and more secure. AI-powered legal assistants are also changing the game. From formation to ongoing management, artificial intelligence can streamline processes that used to require expensive legal or accounting support. And with remote work becoming permanent for many, LLCs optimized for digital nomads and international teams are growing in popularity. Structuring your LLC to handle global, distributed operations can give you a competitive edge. Taxation is evolving too. Some states may introduce new taxes targeting digital businesses or remote-first LLCs. Understanding potential obligations now is key to avoiding surprises later. Funding is also tied to transparency. Venture capitalists and lenders increasingly demand clear BOI information before investing or approving loans. If your reporting isn't in order, you could miss out on crucial funding. And broader economic forces, like inflation, interest rates, and even recessionary pressures, will directly impact LLC profitability and operations. Staying financially agile is more important than ever. With technology comes new risks. Cybersecurity is now a top concern, and LLCs are expected to protect sensitive client and customer data. Data breaches can trigger legal and financial liability faster than ever. Personal liability is also creeping in. Even with an LLC, certain scenarios could put your personal assets at risk. Understanding these risks and planning accordingly is critical. Fortunately, insurance is evolving too. New policies are emerging to cover the unique risks LLCs face, from cyber liability to operational disruptions. Ensuring your coverage matches your exposure is no longer optional. So, how can you prepare? Start with proactive compliance audits. Review your current LLC structure, reporting practices, and processes to identify gaps before regulators do. Next, don't underestimate the value of professional counsel. Specialized legal and accounting advice is becoming essential, not optional. Finally, adapt your business model. Embrace technology, anticipate regulatory changes, and look for ways to leverage these shifts to maintain your competitive advantage. Being proactive now could save you time, money, and stress down the line. 2026 is shaping up to be a transformative year for LLCs. Regulatory shifts, digital transformation, and evolving financial landscapes are creating both challenges and opportunities. The key is preparation. Audit, adapt, and innovate. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our future updates on LLCs, business strategy, and compliance. Drop a comment below if you want us to cover specific strategies for digital LLCs and remote-first businesses.